Is there anything in the fridge? There's nothing in the fridge. What am I gonna do? I'm so hungry. Wait, what's wrong? There's no food in the fridge. Like there is food in the fridge, but it's just like sweets. I want lasagna. Not that stupid thing. Dude, chill out, man. You can start a day without food. You're saying we're broke. We can't buy anything, man. Exactly. Hi, it's me, a poodle moth. Are y'all okay? Are y'all okay? Yes. No. Look at the fridge. There's no food. What are we gonna do? We're starving. We have no money. Are y'all okay? Yeah, hi, Boogie. There's obviously. Oh, we have to make a sacrifice. We have to make a sacrifice. It's not a crime, and. Oh, we have him. We're not gonna eat Jack. We're not gonna eat Jack Skellington. No, but he's gonna help us. He's also gonna help us. Place him on. What's going on? It's time to feed. No, get off of me! Get off of me! What are you doing? You're not gonna eat me? Heck no! Oh, heck to no! I am not your meal. Y'all see this right now? They're trying to eat me. Y'all see this? What are we gonna eat? I don't know. Well, y'all, we're just gonna have to starve. One day later. No food. We die. Well, I don't want to die. No, I don't want to die. I don't know, man. I'm Garfield, man. I need my lasagna. Wait! This pep actually inside of it. That thing. All we have right now is just some milk, some treats. I don't like treats. Yeah, me too. I like food, but I want my lasagna. Let's just go with the flow and just drink this milk that's probably stale. What the? I thought it was milk. I'm back from the shadows. What are we gonna do if we have no food? That's what I'm saying. I can already feel the pain. I can already feel me passing out. No, we lost one. Bro, I can't handle this, man. I need to go. I'm gonna go with Sally, okay? Peace out. Take us with you. She probably has food. That's it. Wait a minute. I can smell something. Oh my god, is that a burger? Wait, what? Wait, your life? Yeah. Okay, anyway. I got a burger! Oh my god, wait. Where am I? What are you gonna do with me? The feast has begun! finally have the food. Now I'm gonna just go to good. You know, I realized I could just went to the bank and got some money, like asking for money, and just buy us McDonald's. I'm so stupid. Well, I'm full now, so Oh. We need for just fill up, so. Well, when you finish fill up, so I'm just gonna go Walmart. Because I'll say to go Walmart. I'm full now. Well, that's the end of the video. It's me. What's my name? Jack Skelton. It's me, Jack Skelton, telling you to like and subscribe. This channel might be doing more plush content soon. So yeah. See you on the next one. Bye.